Welcome back, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll dive into 3 more types of pronouns: relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns. These pronouns help us add more detail, refer to non-specific things, and show mutual actions. Let's get started. Let's start with the definitions, then examples. Relative pronouns. These pronouns are used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. Indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. Reciprocal pronouns. These pronouns are used to indicate that 2 or more people are performing an action of some type, with both receiving the benefits or consequences of that action. Let's jump right in with more examples and details. Here are indefinite pronouns. Listen and repeat after me. Anyone, everyone, someone, no one, anybody, everybody, somebody, nobody, anything, everything, something, nothing. Try again in a quickly way. Anyone, everyone, someone, no one, anybody, everybody, somebody, nobody, anything, everything, something, nothing. Great job! Listen and repeat the examples. Anyone can join the club. Everyone has a role to play. Someone is waiting for you. No one can touch the fire. Can anybody help me? Everybody loves a good story. Somebody called you earlier. Nobody likes being late. You can ask me anything. She told me everything. I have something to tell you. Nothing can stop us now. Let's move on to the next one, relative pronouns. Remember to practice these examples and try to find your own examples. Relative pronouns: who, whom, that, whose, which. Listen and practice. She is the one who won the contest. The woman whom I met yesterday is a chef. The cake that she baked was delicious. The house whose roof is red is mine. The dog which barked all night belongs to my neighbor. Remember the colors also. Listen and practice reciprocal pronouns. Each other. One another. They love each other. We share our notes with one another. In conclusion, understanding the various types of pronouns is essential for mastering English grammar. Personal pronouns help us refer to specific people or things, making our sentences clear and concise. Demonstrative pronouns point out specific items, adding precision to our descriptions. Interrogative pronouns are crucial for asking questions and gathering information. Indefinite pronouns allow us to speak about nonspecific items or people, adding flexibility to our language. Relative pronouns connect clauses and provide additional information about the subject. Lastly, reciprocal pronouns express mutual actions or relationships, enriching our communication. By mastering these pronouns, you can enhance your writing and speaking skills, making your English more fluent and effective. Keep practicing, and you'll find that using these pronouns becomes second nature. Thank you for joining me in this lesson on pronouns. Remember, the best way to master pronouns is through consistent practice. Try incorporating different types of pronouns into your daily conversations and writing. You can also create sentences or short stories using a variety of pronouns to see how they function in different contexts. That's it for today's lesson. We covered relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns with simple examples to help you understand their usage. Don't forget to practice using these pronouns in your sentences. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson.